satellite scan.
Okay, copy one. Can you send the details on the group so we can verify what's wrong?
I'm sending you pictures soon.
Thank you.
This is November Juliet. I'm just waiting for a picture.
Make your wheels round. I've just come past one Jones. Come on, come on. Okay, GPS is saying I must take R21 Pretoria.
That's Papa, yeah, we're going direction, we're going to Tembisa.
Okay, copy. I'm coming under roundabout now.
Vehicles still in the same position.
Copy.
Ja, November Juliet 3 was give you as jy 'n backup nodig het, ek sien ek is ook so 37 minute weg, maar ek gaan nou net nie kan van Alright, copy, sorry, ja, dis reg so, ek sal julle weet as ek backup nodig het, sorry, ek jou nie my audio op ja, skeer maar, ek kan die kant toe gaan, maar ek staan maar die kant vast, julle is daar ook even voertuig, maar jy is, skeer as julle backup nodig het, dan kom aan.
My GPS told me to come off at for a tracker.
Alright, copy that, yeah, I'm going to get off and then I'm going to go through the side section here into Kempton from the side. Perfect, Sierra Tango 1, you just continue on in your direction, you guys can meet up in front.
Copy November Juliet 1.
Bye. The vehicle is there where you're going. You need to go straight down towards Impisa. So the vehicle is moving at the moment.
What is it? November Juliet 303.
Passing the ball, festival ball.
Okay, copy. You're just a little bit behind me.
There is a 1 million rand load on that vehicle. There is a 1 million rand load on that vehicle.
Monitored.
When you guys approach, okay, tell me when you close as well. Thank you so much.
Okay, the last location that we got in the group, the first one, I'm 3 miles out from that one.
Thank you. Can you possibly update us with a new location on the group? Just check.
Four marks from new location. Okay, I'm 2 marks out, 2 marks out. November Juliet 1, please just give me the truck description again.
It's a Frontliner, a Mercedes Frontliner, orange, black and yellow, I think. Frontliner, Mercedes-Benz.
Copy, I think I see it.
Right on it, thank you. Okay, stand by for picture. Okay, picture set.
Copy, thank you.
Waterfall and Robbie Ridge.
Yeah, I've come past there already. I'm passing the off ramp to.
Just repeat that one, you forgot the way there.
Sorry, I'm passing the off ramp to Mall of Africa. I have eyes on.
Thank you.
Registration.
Is that the horse without trailer or the horse, or is it the full link?
It is a stone library. Stone library.
Thank you. They changed the plates then. Keep that place the plate you've got.
Yeah, copy. I'm standing off there.
Are you with the truck? Have you taken down the truck?
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the Sniper team for more information.